Do you want to make videos that make people stop scrolling? You don't need fancy equipment, you need a strategy. So today I will show you how to make video content that actually holds attention with just your phone. Okay, so let's get started. Are you making video content, or do you plan to make video content? If yes, then this video is for you. Watch until the end. There is a secret that is going to make your video making from beginner to pro. Today is your day. So what do you need to record show-stopping videos using just your phone? That is the secret which I'm going to tell you today. So getting started, what makes video content engaging? Before I tell you the tricks, let me teach you a little bit or share a little bit why are videos so engaging. Right, what makes video content engaging? Number one, it grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. So as you are watching the first 3 seconds of this video, something grabbed your attention. Is it the question? What is it that grabbed you? That is what you need to do in your videos as well. And that is why videos are effective. Videos look good enough to stop someone from scrolling, from going to the next videos. So when they see your video, and then the moment they play your video, they should be able to stop scrolling and listen and watch your video until the end. That is why video content is engaging. Point number 3, sound clear. So your video must have a clear sound, and if you do that, people are not going to scroll away. They will listen until the end. They will be able to listen comfortably, follow through everything that you are saying, and that is what makes people stop by scrolling through your videos. If your video is full of energy, then people can stop. They want to see you acting. They want to see you showing the true you. They want to see you being the real you. So do some action in the video. Except like in this kind of videos that I'm making, these are educational videos. So I cannot make any kind of action besides using my hands. See? So in your videos, make sure you include activity. Make your people see that you are active, you are alive, you are not a robot that repeats the same information. So here is a trick. If you are making videos for Facebook, make sure that you put captions. Make sure you put captions. The reason is about 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. So if you only put sound on your video, then very few people are going to watch it, because they want to see your video but they don't want to hear the sound because of many reasons. So if you put captions, people are able to follow through whatever you are saying. When making videos, there is something called angles and framing. Angles and framing. So this is very important. So let me demonstrate. I'm going to shake my video a little bit. There is the eye level like this. Now you can see my eyes. I'm looking straight into the video, and then this kind of video will build trust. So if you want to build trust with your followers, make sure you create eye level videos. You can be very far at the back or very close, it is up to you, but eye level videos build trust. So what can you use? Maybe you don't have a tripod, or if you have a tripod, it's better you use a tripod. You can be standing or sitting down like what I'm doing, but use a tripod and stay steady. Make sure your video is not shaking. That's why you need to use a tripod. The next one is a slide top down angle like this. You see, I am now looking up, and this kind of video is another kind, but it is more suited for social media. If you are making videos for Facebook or TikTok, this kind of angle is the right angle. No matter how you go about it, if you can use this angle, it is best for social media. You see? So for this one, you need actually a selfie stick or a tripod so that you can actually raise the phone or raise your camera a little bit above your head, and then you can actually move around like what I'm doing now. You can see me, and then my head is a bit raised up. So you need to keep your head on the top third. So if you look on your screen, some phone cameras have got a grid, so you can put a 3x3 grid. If you put a 3x3 grid on your camera, then keep your head on the center grid but at the top one. Okay, if you do the grid, you can see what I'm talking about. Why is this important? It keeps it put you, the whole of your body, on the camera, which is a very good thing. People want to see you, so as you record, you can do that, right? So if you are recording, maybe your phone or your camera is on a stationary style tripod, it's not moving, then you can move to half a body. You can just cut it half a body only, right? From waist going up. That is also another angle that you can take. Waist going up, or from the shoulders going, from the chest going up, or you can do like mine, like this. You can only see the shoulders and the head. Right? You also need to leave space for captions. For example, if I want to put captions here, then I need to leave space between my head and the end of the camera. This space will be for captions. Or I can do like this, then I put captions here at this space. Or I can do this, see, then I put space this side for captions. Or I can put like this, then I put captions right here, where you can see them right here. If you are making videos for TikTok, then this is what you need to do. Bring your video close like this, and in most cases it will be like this. This is called portrait mode. So if you are recording for TikTok, in most cases it's in portrait mode, and even for Facebook it will be in portrait mode, because the majority of people who watch TikTok are on mobile phone. So TikTok is best for mobile phones. That's why your videos must be in portrait mode. For YouTube and other platforms, you can work well with this. This is landscape mode. So if you are on landscape mode, you are better. You show a lot of detail, okay, which is perfect for YouTube. So when you are recording, know what platform you are recording for. If you are recording for Facebook and TikTok, it's portrait mode. If you are recording for YouTube, it's landscape mode. That is going to help you. But what if you want to use the same video for YouTube and then TikTok and then Facebook? Okay, what I do is I create them in landscape mode. Then when I'm editing, most video editors, you choose the orientation, the screen size, or the target screen size. So if it is like this in landscape mode, then when I'm editing, I change it to 6:9 or 9:16. If it's 9:16, then it's for YouTube, for TikTok and Facebook, right? That is portrait. So also for TikTok, keep your camera close. Don't go too far like this, but you must make like this, where you are very close to the camera and then you speak. Check most of the TikTokers, they do this trick. They keep their camera very close to them when they are recording their videos. You can also do the same. And this space above my head is used for captions. If it's on TikTok, you put captions here where people can see, can read, and they can also see you. Lighting. So let us look at lighting. What is lighting? Why is it important to have the proper light? Okay. I know we are recording this and we are not using a lot of fancy equipment, but we want to achieve the best lighting. What can we do? Number one, natural light is always best. Natural light is always best. As you can see here on my hands, this is the sun. This is the sun, which I'm taking advantage of. My videos are clean. You can see my face nicely. You can see what I'm wearing nicely. You can see my background nicely. So I'm not using any artificial light at this moment. It is natural light. What can you do to use the natural light? You can go outside if the weather permits. You can also go close to the window. Maybe you've got a window, you can go close to the window. And then you face the window and you let the camera face you so that it doesn't get dark. Right? Now, another option. Let's say you don't have a window or it's not possible to record using natural light. You can buy a cheaper ring light. Buy a cheaper ring light. When you have a ring light, then you place it very close to you. You have to take it very close to you. Why? So that it reduces shadows. You reduce shadows. Okay? No, sometimes you might not afford a ring light. You may have a light. Let's say you buy an extension light where you can put your own light. It is perfect. Any kind of light that you can use, an artificial light that you can use, it is perfect. As long as it is close to you or your camera is close to you, then you put it behind the camera so that you diminish shadows. You don't want to see shadows behind you. Then avoid overhead lights because it creates harsh shadows. As you can see, this is a dark place under right my chin because the light is coming mostly from this side. This is where the window is. I don't have overhead lights. Of course, my lights are on, but they are not bringing direct light to me. It is very important to have natural light. It is also important to have clear light that will show you clearly. Right, if your light is poor, then you may need to use the natural light if possible. You can go outside. You can also go by the window. You can go by the door. Anywhere where you can get natural light is perfect. Delivering tips. How now do you deliver the video? Number one, energy is everything. Speak with excitement and facial expression. So don't be weak in your videos. Don't be sorrow in your videos. Show some energy. Show that you are surviving and you know what you are doing, what you are talking about. Okay? Smile with your eyes, right? So you need to smile. You need to smile so that you pass on the same effect, the same feeling to your audience. Be clear and not perfect. You have to be clear and not perfect. Remember, there is nothing called perfection. And if you want to be perfect, you will never achieve anything. Just start, but at least be clear on what you are talking about. Right? On that point again, you don't need to record 100 million times so that you can get the perfect shot. There's nothing like that. Record maybe once or twice, then cut out what you don't want, then stitch out the rest. That's a good video. You are done. Start with a question or a bold statement to grab attention. That is called a hook. So start with a hook, always. Last one, keep your phone camera lens clean, right? So if you are recording with a phone like me, make sure the lens, you clean them. Before you record, clean the lens so that they don't affect the quality of your video. Okay? Sometimes your camera might be very good, but because you touch it with oil hands, then it has got some oil. If it has got some oil, then the video quality is not going to be right. On the voice, to be clear, you need to record with your mic very close to your mouth. So make sure if you are using a mic, it is closer to your mouth, or you can use a wired mic, or you can bring the phone close to you so that it can pick up the right sound? How can you make people stop on your videos and watch them? Number one, they see emotion or confidence in your face. Remember, you are recording showing your face, so people must be able to see emotion, they must be able to see confidence in your eyes. The lighting looks good. Have good lighting. It makes a big difference. There is a hook. So always start with the hook, like, did you know? Or like, here is how to, or why your business is not successful, why you are not attracting customers, how to make more money on the internet, how to record the best videos, something like that, which is called the hook. They can see you and understand why they should care. That is very important. You have what intent or intention. They can see you and they understand why they must watch your video. That is very important. Show your face. I know there are some advanced, some profiles, some channels on Facebook that are called faceless channels, right? They have got a different strategy, unlike this kind of channels or content that we are teaching about. In this one, you need to show yourself, show your face, be known, become a brand. That is the most important thing about showing yourself. You become a brand. Okay, so they can see you, make the audience see you, make them know why they should care. On your first line, you should answer, why should I watch your video in 3 seconds? Okay, you should answer that question. If you provide that question, that answer, then your audience is going to always stop by your videos and watch. Perfect. Right, before we go today, let us have just a small practical. As always, I always want to have something for you to do, to practice, to put in practice what you have learned today in these 20 minutes. Now, I want you to record a 1-minute video. And in this 1-minute video, you are going to introduce yourself, you are going to mention your niche, you are going to tell viewers what kind of content to expect from you. There's just a quick guideline. Keep the bright light, have energy, clear audio, and no background distractions. Okay, so once you are done, you can post in the comment section, you can share in the group, and then just put the hashtag day8video. No more overthinking or hiding behind the scene. It's time to show yourself. It's time to show up. Your audience is waiting to meet you. Record your 1-minute video intro today and share it with pride. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, and thank you. See you next time.